Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday and a great week. Well, welcome to my Watertown Memory Wednesday. And today we are going to be working down in the same area. The color is 869 and it's kind of a golden brown, if you will. Let me pull you in so you can see what's going on. Oh my goodness, what a day. To figure out what I did here. Oh my goodness. I started the thread and then I couldn't figure out where I needed to be. Gorgeous day out there, but it's supposed to get nasty over the weekend, but that's what they say, you know, whether you can believe it or not. Stitched a little bit on the teacups yesterday before I went to work, but didn't get too much stitching in. I had to come in a little bit later, like 15 minutes later, because I had to relieve a girl on Monday, so I got to come in 15 minutes late. Yay! But it was still slow at work. It's just that time of year, I think. So, I don't think it'll get much busy. Well, it'll get busy around Thanksgiving a little bit, you know, people coming and going. That's usually, you know, when the ski places, I will say around here, because we're like an hour and a half from any ski resort going in that direction. I don't have any idea how long or how far it is to Crest of Butte. Now that's even further than the hour and a half thing, so it's way further. I've never been there, so don't know. And then the others are up towards Leadville, which is like 45 minutes away from here, and it's another at least 45 minutes beyond all that just to get to an actual ski place. It's probably an hour, maybe an hour and a half to get to Vail. I don't know. I haven't been that way in a coon's age, so just don't know. So, yeah, not my game, not my bag, but people, we just kind of sit in the middle, so there's no ski places here, per se. We have all the river rafting stuff, not the ski resort, so thank goodness. I've lived in a ski resort town at one point, a couple of times, and just been right where the hub of all the ski places are, on that side of the, we'll call it the divide, but I don't think it's the divide. You know what I mean. So now we sit in the middle and everybody goes through us to get to wherever they're going, see. Which is fine with me. But they usually open around Thanksgiving. Some of those places actually make their own snow, so yeah, that's how that gets. And others, you know, they naturally have that much snow by that time, and then they close about first part of April-ish, some of them. And I think some of them, I want to say, have contracts as to when they open. But, I mean, that's the way it used to be, so I don't know that that's changed, not changed. You know, just exactly how that works anymore. Like I said, I haven't been involved in skiing in probably 30 plus years, or been around all that, so it's fine. It's not something I want to go do. I can fall down right here at home, you know, so I don't need to go out and spend a whole bunch of money and get on a mountain and fall down. No, that ain't happening. Klutz is me. Oh, we got that little section done. Is there... Oh, there's just a bit right here. Whoop. Might help if you had the right end of the needle. Holy cow. Things work out better that way. Come on. I did this before and the whole thing pulled out. Had to do it 3 times before I got it where I needed it to be. It's just how some things happen. And the others, I can just do it and go on and it not even be a problem. I do like stitching on this. It's such nice material. And easy to see because it's an 11 count. It's awesome. Whoops. Get this little section done and we won't have to worry about it. There are two other symbols right there. So when I do them, the same symbols are up on this part as well. So I'll catch those when I get that color out. It's just kind of in rivers. Kind of weird. But it's easier than doing 2 here, 2 there, 2 there. No, I hate that. Just hate it. The other, I don't think it's called Watertown Memory. I can't remember what it's called. Was like that. Oh my goodness. Every 3rd stitch. It's the first one. It's like the other half of this picture. And then I got this one, so it's like the whole panoramic view. Does that make sense? I'm telling you. Come here, scissors. Get that out of there. All right. Let's see, where are we going next? It's kind of hard to stitch on. I got this whole thing. Hang on. Whoops, I went the wrong way, my bad. Folded up. My hairpins, they're all like folded into a big, one of those grocery bags you get at the grocery chains. The tall bags. But this actually has its own plastic zip bag. So it works well. I did have some viewers send me pictures, and I just didn't get time to prep those. So they will be in the next stitch with me. I'm so sorry. But thank you for sending them, and I will show them when we have tomorrow's stitch with me, whatever that might be. I'm gonna go down here and leave that green part. Hope you're able to see what I'm doing, because it has the actual number there, and I got some more. It just kind of goes in and out over here, you know, like helter-skelter actually, but I'd like to know what that number is. So I will just stitch whatever part we got going here. And we may have to start again if we don't run out of thread in the meantime. Oh, goodness. Get there. Oh, crap. And see, it's too far. There's some here and some here, and then it goes on. So I'm going to have to cut that out of there. Start again. I didn't realize this number was 2 here and there. I think we're going to make it. Anybody going anywhere this weekend, doing anything fun and exciting? I hope you get to go somewhere. It's such nice weather before all the snow and ice, and you know how winter can be. It's always, yeah. And nobody wants to travel in that unless they absolutely are positively forced. Yeah. Well, we didn't. I'm just gonna anchor that there. Got my Dragon Boat Festival today. Get that out of there. So it's coming along. I don't know. Whoa. Sorry. I'll probably work on this one this weekend since I worked on the ladies last weekend. There we go. So it's starting to come together. I have no idea what's going on here. I just want to do the people. That's why the people got done. See, that's how that works. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.